Hello and welcome to Kauser Technologies. In this video series, we're going to develop a complete library management system using Java Swing with a custom and modern design. For the backend, we'll use a MySQL database to manage and store data. For this project, we'll be using a modern custom template. You can either use your own design or this template. And if you'd like to use the same one, you can download it from the link in the video description. If you want to learn how to design this template yourself, you can watch my video. The link is also available in the description below. Great. As you can see, our system includes several main features, such as dashboard, manage students, manage books issue, books return, books manage reports, manage users. In the future, we might also add more options according to our needs. On the right side, we have another menu that includes manage edition, manage volume, manage publisher manage, category manage row, or line manage column. So let's get started and build our modern library management system step by step using Java Swing. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.